First semi-final, TX Galaxy up against the Bees. I'm joined by the stakeholder of iqembu le TX Galaxy. Siyamathi simkhulumisa kakhulu ngithwala Sibongo. Thwala, what can you say preparation wise? Take us through before the start of the season with all this tournament, with all this pre-season tournament.
Loktala, I would like to thank the Premier for starting such. It gives us mileage in terms of our players for our pre-season preparation. So it's going to be part and parcel of our pre-season, and it will give us another view of our players and see how ready we are, especially that it will be probably our last game that we're going to be playing just before the season begins. For us, is on the 2nd of August.
Take us through so far the preparations, good pre-season before you start on the 19th. That's where people will be able to see a TX Galaxy. Take us through, go unveil my player, when all these things will be happening.
We will be unveiling our players on the 18th on Mandela Day in Pretoria, where we're going to be having a prayer to pray for the season, because we are a praying team. So we believe that we need to gather as a family, or as churches and fans, and we pray for this team so that we are able to proceed in the new season. So our players will be unveiled there in that gathering, and then from there we strive straight and prepare and for this tournament, because we're playing in the morning, I think at 9.
Yes.
On the first semi-final.
Alright, Sibongo Mr. Thola, sinifisele inhlanhla kule upcoming season yango 2026-2027 ku Pretoria Premiership.
Ngibonga mina, thank you very much. It is that ngibonga nebalandzeli nebalaleli labathanza iTS Galaxy, siyabonga kakhulu.
Basho njalo bathi bayadumuza bayi-TX Galaxy bayobe badlala the first semi-final yeMpumalanga Premier's Cup lapha kaNyamazane Stadium. Badlala nelicembu le-The Bees. The Bees idlala nelicembu le-TX Galaxy. The second semi-final, Castric Stars idlala nelicembu le-Kruger United. Sila kula launch ile yendeka kaNyamazane Stadium. You can feel it, the vibe, the energy. Kunyendi lesikulinzele. Come the weekend yamhla ka 18 namhla ka 19. Sport Talk with GTZ.